Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.